Chapter 8. Decimals. How do we read this number? Here is a dot between the digits. How do we read 56 after the dot? What does this dot represent? What does it mean? It is a decimal number, and the point is called decimal point. The number after decimal point is read one by one, that is 5, 6. Decimal fractions. Fractions with 10, 100, 1000, etc. as denominators are called decimal fractions. Examples: 8 by 10, 6 by 100, 51 by 100, 52 by 1000, etc. are decimal fractions. Tenths. Take a paper strip and mark into 10 equal divisions in it. Each division represents 1/10, 1 by 10. When we divide a whole into a group of 10 equal parts, each of these parts are called 1/10 and is written as 1 by 10. As a decimal, it is written as 0.1 and read as 0.1. The point before 1 is called decimal point. In the given figure, the shaded part represents 0.1. 0.1, whole number part, decimal point, decimal part, fractional part. The dot in a decimal number is called a decimal point. Similarly, the fraction of shaded parts of each of these figures is written below it. 4 by 10 is equal to 0.4. 6 by 10 is equal to 0.6. 5 by 10 is equal to 0.5. A decimal fraction with 10 as denominator has one digit after decimal point. Hundredths. Take a square paper and make a square grid of 100 squares and shade one square out of 100. The shaded part represents 1/100, 1 by 100. When we divide a whole, say a square, into 100 equal parts, each part is called 1/100 or 1 by 100. In decimal form, we write it as 0.01 and read as 0.01. Similarly, 3 by 100 is written as 0.03 and read as 0.03. 6 by 100 is written as 0.06 and read as 0.06. 38 by 100 is written as 0.38 and read as 0.38. A decimal fraction with denominator 100 has 2 digits after the decimal point. Decimal fractions in place value chart. This is the Indian place value chart of numbers: thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. 1/10 of 1000 is equal to 1 by 10 into 1000 is equal to 100 is equal to 100. 1/10 of 100 is equal to 100 by 10 is equal to 10 is equal to 110. From the above, we observe that in the place value chart, moving one place to the right, the value of a digit becomes 1 by 10 of its value at the preceding place. Thus, we can extend the place value chart as shown below. 10,000s, 10,000, thousands, 1,000, hundreds, 100, tens, 10, ones, 1, decimal, decimal, tens, 1 by 10, 0.1, hundreds, 1 by 100, 0.01. Knowledge desk. Decimal part of the number is always less than one whole. Mixed decimals. A decimal fraction has two parts: whole number part and decimal part. A decimal point separates these two parts. Such decimal fractions are called mixed decimals. Whole number part 40, decimal point 4, decimal part. A fraction in which the decimal point separates the whole number part and decimal part is called a mixed decimal. Decimal places. In a decimal, the number of digits in the decimal part is called the number of decimal places. For example, A 37.48 has 2 decimal places. B 58.6 has 1 decimal place. Example 1. Write each of the following as a decimal. Solution. A 7 by 10 is equal to 0.7. B 8 by 100 is equal to 0.08. C 61 by 100 is equal to 0.61. Tens 3, ones 7. Point, decimal point 4 tenths, 8 hundredths. Example 2. Write the number name of each of the following decimals. A 0.8, B 17.88, C 507.07. Solution. A 0.8, 8 tenths. B 17.88, 17.88. C 507.06, 507.06. Example 3. Show the following in place value chart. A 7.2, B 278.09, C 72.99. Solution. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, tenths, hundreds. A. Ones 7, decimal point, tenths 2. B. Hundreds 2, tens 7, ones 8, point 0, tenths, hundreds 9. C. Tens 7, ones 2, point, tenths 9, hundreds 9. Thousandths. When a whole number is divided into 1000 equal parts, each part is called 1,000ths and is written as 1 by 1000. In decimal form, it is written as 0.001 and read as 0.001. See how 1 by 1000 is written in a place value chart. Thousands, hundreds, tens, ones, 1000, 100, 10, 1. Point, tens 1 by 10, 0.1. Hundreds 1 by 100, 0.01. Thousands 1 by 1000, 0.001. Look at this number, 456.384. 4 hundreds, 5 tens, 6 ones, 4 thousands, 8 hundreds, 3 tenths. This number has 3 decimal places. Place value and expanded form of decimals. Place value. Example. Write the place value of each digit in 85.076. Solution. Place value of each digit is as follows. 85.076. 6. Place value of 6 is 6 thousandths or 6 by 1000 is equal to 0.006. 7. Place value of 7 is 7 hundredths or 7 by 100 is equal to 0.07. 0. Place value of 0 is 0 tenths or 0 by 10 is equal to 0. 5. Place value of 5 is 5 ones or 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 8. Place value of 8 is 8 tenths. 8 into 10 is equal to 80. Expanded form. Let us write the decimal number 359.8 089 in the place value chart. Hundreds 100, 3. Tens 10, 5. Ones 1, 9. Point, point. Tens 1 by 10, 0. Hundreds 1 by 100, 8. Thousands 1 by 1000, 9. Clearly, we can write 359.089 as 3 hundreds plus 5 tens plus 9 ones plus 0 tenths plus 8 hundreds plus 9 thousands. 300 plus 50 plus 9 plus 0 by 10 plus 8 by 100 plus 9 by 1000, or 300 plus 50 plus 9 plus 8 by 100 plus 9 by 1000. This is the expanded form of 359.089.